Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all a skin brightening, whitening and lightening mask which is super duper effective, and you will see the live result in this video. And the best part about this mask is that most of you will have the ingredients easily available in your kitchen. You don't have to go out and buy anything and not spend a single dime. So if you're suffering from two-tone skin or your complexion is getting dull and dark, and due to the summer heat you're getting a bad tan, or you're having pigmentation issues, this mask is going to be super helpful. People with all types of skin can use this remedy. I'll be showing you how to mix and use it for all different skin types. So before I begin, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get notified of all my future videos, and let's get started. So the first ingredient that we need is red masoor dal or red lentil. Red masoor dal is packed with amino acids that remove suntan and speed up skin rejuvenation. Red masoor dal is very easily available in most of our kitchen. So we will take 4 tablespoons of red masoor dal. The next ingredient that I'm going to use is the saffrice mask from myGlamUSA. Now this is a mask that's from my brand and it's available on my website. This mask is made out of rice extracts and saffron, and it also has many other anti-aging and skin glowing ingredients. So I'm going to add in about 4 teaspoons of this mask. Now if you don't have access to this mask, you can simply just take 4 tablespoons of rice and add that instead. So far we have 4 tablespoons of red masoor dal and 4 tablespoons of rice, just a regular rice. Any rice is fine, basmati rice, whatever kind of rice you use is fine. It has to be white rice, no brown rice. And if you want to use the saffrice mask from myGlamUSA, then that's even better. Rice is great for anti-aging, lightening and brightening. Next we need almonds. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, which is super helpful in anti-aging. Almonds also are very moisturizing and they have anti-aging, lightening and brightening properties. They will make your skin glow. So we need about 7 or 8 almonds. Now we're going to add all these ingredients into a mixie jar and make a very fine, smooth powder out of this. And if you're adding the myGlamUSA mask, then you don't need to add it to the jar. You can just add it later. But if you're using rice, then you will have to use the masoor dal, rice and the almonds, everything together in a mixie jar and make a very fine powder out of it. And all these ingredients will help you exfoliate your skin, remove your dead skin, plus blackheads and whiteheads. So once you have ground everything to a very fine powder, you can just store this in an airtight container for up to a month. This quantity will last you for a week, but you can always make extra and keep it, and there is no problem in storing it for up to a month. So let's see how we're going to mix this mask for different skin types. Over here, I'm mixing this mask with the Saffrose toner, which is a rose and a saffron toner, and it's from my brand, myGlamUSA. You can also simply use plain rose water. So if you have oily skin, then you just mix it with rose water or plain water. My skin is a little bit on the combination dry side, so I'm going to add a few drops of the argan oil, which is also from my brand, myGlamUSA. So I'm just mixing in a few drops of the argan oil to give it some moisture. Now, if you have dry skin, then you can always use milk or yogurt to mix this mask. So the oily skin people are using rose water and dry skin people will use milk or yogurt. So once everything is mixed in, just leave this mask for about 5 minutes. Keep it covered and leave it for 5 minutes for all the ingredients to blend in together. And after 5 minutes, simply apply it on a clean, washed face. You can use your fingers or a brush to apply it to your face. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and then simply just gently scrub your face. Make it wet again. Scrub your face very gently so that you can exfoliate the dead skin off. And after that, just wash your face normally with cold water. So guys, as I'm removing this mask off of my face, you can see how amazing it is. Just after one use, you are seeing how it has transformed my skin, my face. It is totally magical. The results are simply amazing. And now that summer is here, suntan is a common issue that we all face. So start using this remedy and you can start seeing a new freshness and glow on your skin. And your skin will become super soft and it will shine. gently exfoliate all the dead skin, blackheads, whiteheads off of your face. And plus, all these are natural ingredients, so there are no side effects, and you can totally use this every day, no problem. There is no side effects, there's nothing to worry about. So after removing the mask, I'm just applying the Saffrose toner from myGlamUSA, and I'll wait for a couple of minutes for the toner to dry on my face, and I'm following up with my vitamin C serum, the Glow Secret Vitamin C Serum from myGlamUSA. So I hope that you like this video, and please do let me know down below in the comments if you do try this mask and what kind of results you got. I would love to know. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, I'll see you all again. Bye-bye.